Hey guys, Smuggler's Build here, and today I'm going to build Daredevil Yellow, or the original Daredevil costume. So today, this is, one of the easier builds that I've done, like the Rocketeer and some other ones. So we're going to go to minifigures, lower parts. We're going to click the second pair of regular minifig legs, and we're going to click this black pair, and then go with, let's see. Let's do bright yellow. It kind of stands out. It's really good. So we're going to go to upper parts now. Superheroes. Marvel. Because that's the only place where you can find the Daredevil torso. Unless you type it, but I doubt it will show up. Then we're going to go down. It's near the bottom, near the exclusive minifig. So like a comic book. So like a Comic-Con, San Diego Comic-Con figs and stuff like that. So, he also added the new Shang-Chi torso piece a few weeks ago. So I might do some Shang-Chi stuff, or use some torso, or build a fig that has the use of a Shang-Chi thing. So we're just going to make this black. That red, that dark red, I'll be using later for when I do the Daredevil from the Daredevil TV show. So that's how you do the torso and legs. And then we're going to do basically the same thing. We're going to go to heads, we're going to go to superheroes, then Marvel, and we're going to, scroll down, and then use the same Daredevil headpiece. We're going to use the bright yellow again. Then we're going to head clothing, arrows, keep going. Going until we find those earpieces. Here they are. They'll still be in yellow. And there you go. That's how you build Daredevil Yellow, or the original costume from the Daredevil comics. Now, again, this is one of the easier builds that I have done. So, like Rocketeer, which I did last Monday. It's one of the best builds that I have done, actually. That is kind of taken directly from the comic books. And yeah, so if you liked this build, go check out my Rocketeer build and the Kang the Conqueror build. So you can go check those out. Next week, I'll be doing Yellow Jacket from Marvel What If. And then probably the week after that, I'll do Daredevil from Netflix, or I'll do it vice versa. So I'm looking forward to all of these figs. But remember, I have to go through a lot of stuff for Mecha Bricks builds. I have to test them. I need to see which colors I have to use, because there's a version of Daredevil that has like a brownish torso to it, like a kind of light brown, almost reddish, really. So yeah, almost like this, like a reddish brown or earth brown. One of those two was like one of the original versions that I had done. But if you like this build, go check out my other ones. And Mecha Bricks is free to anybody. You want to use Mecha Bricks Workshop so you can use this stuff. And if you liked this, go check out my other tutorials. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.